Good morning everybody, Calm Biker here. And it's a while since I've ridden in the dark, but it's 4:45 in the morning, so the sun is about half an hour away. I'm off to the pub. Oh, we start early around here. Off to the pub car park to meet up with Chris, because it's the day that we're heading down to Rykas. Never been there before. Biker cafe that is about 250 miles away, and we hope, with a coffee stop on the way, to be there for 10 o'clock to meet up with Hippodrones, Mistros Adventure, and hopefully a bundle of other people. Chris isn't at the pub yet, which is handy because that gives me a second or two to sort out my sat nav and whatnot. Anyway, I'm not going to record the journey down there because it's going to be lots of straight, boring roads for about 5 hours. But I thought I'd do a quick intro here. I'll show you a bit more when we're a bit closer. Well, we're well underway now. We're about 170 miles into our journey. We've just stopped at Baldock to pick up some petrol and also meet with Melvin. Melvin was the chap on the gold Honda that we met on the Where's Woody ride last week. And we're heading in to do the last 70 miles now to get to Rykas. So I thought I'd just pop the camera on for a minute and update you. Melvin says he's had a great ride down from Leicester. He's been here about 40 minutes. We've had well, it was a bad start to our ride down from where we met up at Beverley. All those roadworks that I've grumbled about before at Beverley, we got into those and have changed the layouts a little bit. So we followed the layout round and followed the diversion that we have to take at the moment. And after about 2.5 miles of diversion, it told us to turn left immediately into a road that was closed. So the usual genius of the council have managed to do a diversion, and when you get to the end of it, the road is closed and there's nowhere to go. And we actually ended up having to turn and go back into Beverley. And after about 20 to 25 minutes of riding from our meeting point at the usual pub, we were about 200 yards away from the pub. So that cost us quite a bit of time. And then there was a point halfway down where we managed to get separated, where I guess there was another bike or something, but Chris thought I'd turned off the main road, the A1, and I hadn't. And I looked in my mirror and he wasn't there. So I had to call him, and we had to work out how to meet up again. So unfortunately we kept Melvin waiting a little while. Sorry about that. Well, hopefully we are just about on track. If we don't get any more problems, we're just about good to get to Rykas for 10 o'clock. Well, maybe not 10 o'clock, actually, looking at it. Probably going to be a little bit after that. But hopefully everybody will still be there. This is where I wish I was on the Z. The animal would sound brilliant in here. Not so much this little 500cc twin. On to the M25. This is our last bit of motorway. The enormous ring road around London. There's an aeroplane coming. Just near Heathrow, so it makes sense. Oh, I couldn't time it right for it to go over the top. British Airways. Here we are. See if we can spot anybody I recognise. Brazilian walk. Big Pezza's sidecar here. That's the most comfortable place to be on a bike, I have to say. That's us done at Rykas. We've had a cup of coffee and a cold drink, and I've now got to try and find a way out of the place. It's not very easy. The parking leaves something to be desired. Trying to find a way out.
There'll be a gap over here in a minute, but...
Does look that way, doesn't it? It's not easy. And we're out. We're going up this little hill. I believe this is called Zig Zag Lane or something similar. And I was told that it would be rude to come all the way down here and not head up this hill and have a look at the view from the top. So obviously, not wanting to be rude, I'm going to do exactly that. Interesting pattern on the floor. It's either a bit of artwork or a very strange spill. Ah. That is a heck of a view. Apparently there's a bit of gravel somewhere we can park on and then go back and have a look. Well, as you can see, the nice views have gone. We've now got, all we've got left is a view of the M25 at 25 past 1 on a Sunday afternoon. Where can everybody be going at 25 past 1 on a Sunday afternoon? It generates this much traffic. Be glad to get back to the north where there are a lot fewer people. To be fair, it's just London area where there's far too many people. Well, a good trip down, good chat, a couple of drinks. Good to meet some people that I've not met before and see some old faces that I've not seen in a while. By old faces I mean people I've not seen in a while rather than people with old faces. So anyway, because I'm going to say something else stupid and upset people, I shall stop here. It's the safest thing. I'll say thank you for watching, everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.